Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, live from Total Value RV as of right, let's go with now. Okay guys, what we're going to show you today is we have a 2019 27 BHWS Flagstaff travel trailer. Guys, this is a great way if you want to get out and see the country with your kids and have a place for everybody to sleep and have plenty of room to store everything. I believe this unit has it. Let's take a look. 2019, you can see they went with the molded fiberglass cap here in the front, which will give you the automotive sealed window in here. And it is real dark tint. You can see you cannot see in, but you do have a shade on the inside. That's also going to take away some of the heat for when it's coming in. You also have your LED light right here in the front then for you. Okay, then down here in the front, a nice thing Flagstaff does for you is they have the ability to do the solar adapter. Okay, so what you do is you just take this, you get it from Forest River, plugs in right here, and it's kind of like a suitcase, and it sits out, and that'll help trickle charge your batteries for you, so that way you can run your lights, run your refrigerator for a short period of time just off of the solar power. Okay, and as you can see here in the front, we have our storage space for our battery. You also notice in 2019 they gave you a space if you wanted to do an extra battery if you're planning on doing some dry camping. Here in the front we have the two 30-pound LP bottles with the automatic switchover, which will last you quite a long time. We also brought it in with the power tongue jack, which will have a little light here. You can also raise and lower your tongue jack here. Nice thing they've done for you here down in the front, guys, is they have the rock guard in here. So that way if you have any rocks or whatever it may be, it's going to hit this material and it will not damage your surface there. Okay, so we come on around the side. This here's where you can turn on your docking lights right here. This, guys, this is the mega storage. I think you're going to love this. If you look here, number one, it slides out, the door opens to the side, and look at all the storage you can put in there. Fishing poles, lawn chairs, golf clubs, whatever it may be. This contraption right here, guys, this is for your bike rack that'll hook on the back of the ladder. So that way if you want to take bikes with you, you can put them in right there. The slam latch baggage doors, and when you get an opportunity, feel that door. It's a very well insulated door, so that you're not going to get any heat or cold inside your basement. Here we have our wardrobe slide. This is the tan color, guys. We also have the tan color. Hold just a moment. And here, guys, this is your wardrobe slide that you have in the Flagstaff here. As we come on around, you have your super slide here, which will have our dinette, and we'll also have our couch in there. Another nice thing Flagstaff has done for you guys is, if you'll notice, there's no little latches up here to hold this. What they've done is they've taken and put in a magnet. So you don't have to worry about that latch break and this coming down hitting on your head. But here you can see this is underneath the dinette. And one thing I want you to see, guys, look at how they build the dinette. It is all done with the same aluminum tubing that they do in the sidewalls. Does two things for you. Makes for a stronger construction process and also takes out some of the weight for you. This trailer here only weighs about 5,900 pounds as you're going down the road. Okay? Another nice thing they've done is you got your frameless windows all the way throughout. Does two things for you. Gives you a nice clean look, protects your seals, and also allows for you to open up the windows out this way in case it's raining, so that way you can still have them open even if it's raining. Okay, so we come on around. We're here on the back side. What you got here, guys, this compartment right here is for your gravity fill. So if you're at home and you just want to take your hose, you can put your hose right in here, and that goes directly into the freshwater tank. Here then, this is for your antifreeze outlet. When you're going to winterize the coach, guys, you just put a hose on this, stick it into the tank, turn the pump on, and that'll run the antifreeze through everything except for the P-traps. Here you also have your black tank flush, where you can take your water hose, you hook it right up here, you got little sprayers in the black tank, and it'll spray out that black tank for you so that way you don't get any false readings. Then here when you get to the campground, this is your hookup for your city water connection, and then here you can see we have 50 amp service on this one because it's prepped for the second air, and it's a marine grade sealed plug right here for you. It does another thing for you too, guys. There's this little indicator light here. If you're out camping and this light is on, you're getting power from your source. If that light is not on, then you're not getting power from your source. Then here you have a hookup for your cable and your satellite. And you also have your outside shower right here so you can spray off the feet. And you got a nice little light right here so that way if you're hooking up at night, you can see everything. Underneath here we have our dump for our gray tank that's in the back, and also our black tank that's in the restroom area. Okay, so we come onto the back. You have your bumper right here, which you got your spare tire, which is attached right to it. One thing too as well, guys, Flagstaffs are laminated, 6-sided laminated. The back cap is laminated, the side walls are laminated. Follow me, Mr. Cameraman. Also, your slides are laminated, the floor is laminated, and the roof is laminated as well too. Okay, so it's going to give you a nice construction for you and lightweight. Back here in the back, you can see it's already pre-wired for a backup camera. So that way that'll just hook up there. It's just a plug and play system, and then there's a camera that sits in your truck, so that way you can see what's going on back here. You also have your ladder, so that way you can get up on the roof and do your yearly maintenance. One nice thing I like to show people too as well, guys, if you look here, you can notice that there's an arch in the ceiling. It's going to do two things where it's going to allow your water to run off for you, so that way you don't get any water just setting up there, and you also have your drains right here in order to direct it away from the trailer itself. Okay, now back here in the back, we brought it in with the power stabilizing jacks here that'll just raise and lower the ones in the back, and we also have a button up in the front which we'll show you. You get around to the side when you're outside camping. Where are you usually eating? Outside, yes. So here we have an outside kitchen. You just pull this out. You have your, what, I forgot the name of this.
Induction
cooktop. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. Induction cooktop right here. Okay, then you also have a little outside refrigerator right here, and you have a place for storage as well too, right there. Again, you'll notice, guys, it's on the magnet, so you don't have to worry about that coming down. These are the new MORryde steps that they're offering for you. They're a lot more sturdy, unlike the 2 steps that used to fold out. Easier to get in and out. So we come on around to the side. Again, here now, guys, right here, we have our little rack right here that you can put your outside grill, which you have your gas quick connect right here. This is for your TV that's in the inside that you can bring out and set out here. And then you got your cable connection and your plug-ins right here. And you also notice it's all underneath the awning, the outside kitchen, as well as to put your grill. So you've got a really nice big kitchen area. Here you have your hot water heater, which is gas or electric, right here. And then also here, guys, this is the control for the front jacks. And then this is the other side of that storage. But look how big that door is, guys. Most of your competition out there, it's only going to sit about this height right here, and it's not going to be this wide. It's only going to be about this wide and this tall. So it's going to be very easy to get stuff in and out. Plus you have a place here to keep your different jacks that you need right there. Okay, so now, and listen to how solid that shuts for you, just like a car door. Okay, so as we're kind of looking around here too as well, another nice thing Forest River has done for you is this here. They have the Wi-Fi Ranger. Okay, this will boost your Wi-Fi signal, or you can take your SIM card out and put it in there and use your Wi-Fi so you have it right in the coach itself, or it will boost your signal, so if it's down at the other end, it'll do it right here. Okay, so now we've looked at everything on the outside. Oh, one more thing, guys, outside speakers. If you want to sit out here and listen to the radio, you can do it all right here. Okay, another nice thing I want to show you, we bring them in with the aluminum rims, and then these are your Dexter Torflex axles, which have a 10-year limited warranty on them. Plus it's an independent suspension, not only independent side to side, but also front to back. So when you go over a bump, you're not going to have this, you're going to have this. Okay, all right, so let's take a look inside. Are we ready? Cameraman is. One thing you'll notice too, look at the nice wide door opening, so it's going to be very easy for you to get in and out, plus with the nice new steps. Plus right here, guys, this will tell us the exact weight of this unit. I was wrong when I mentioned earlier, it's 6,716 pounds is the dry weight of this unit. Okay, and these steps here, what they do, guys, is these just fold up and then they sit right inside the trailer. Okay, and then they just come down this way, and you have adjustable legs right here, so you have different heights where you're at. You can adjust the legs there. Okay, so come on in. So guys, when we first walk in, right here by your door, you have what we call the command center. This is where, if we were on the Star Trek Enterprise, this is where Scotty would be, is right here. Okay, so here you can see we have, if we want to do our hot water here, if we want to do it on the gas side or the electric side, turn our water pump on right here if we're dry camping. This here is a nice little feature Flagstaff does for you. Your underbelly is all enclosed, but you also have tank heaters. You flip this on, it gets below 40 degrees. It's going to kick on the heating pads and all the holding tanks and the water lines for you. Here's where you can extend your awning in and out, because it's a power awning. You have your different slide buttons here. You have the one for the wardrobe in the front, and then the main slide, and then you can turn on some of your lights right here for you too as well. Your awning has the lights on it, and then this is for your Wi-Fi Ranger where you turn it on. Okay, so when Captain Kurtz talks to Scotty, he's right here, and then if he wants to know, hey Scotty, what is the level of the tanks? Then you can just push all these buttons right here, tell you your battery, your fresh water, your black, your gray. This particular coach, we have 90 gallons of gray, which is real nice for you. So you got a gray tank up front and a gray tank in the back. Okay, so we first come in here, we have our bunk area. You can see you have a nice big double bunk up on the top which you have the Lite right there, and you have the double bunk on the bottom, but you also can see right here where you can fold this up very easily, or put it down and then you have another double bunk. So again, here you can use it for storage, put bikes, whatever it may be, all right in there. So it's well thought out. We're here in the back. We have our bath area. You have your GFI plug right here. You also have where your heat duct can come in, and you also have your fantastic fan here and your air duct. This also has the vent cover over the top so you can keep it open even if it's raining. They went with the glass shower door. You got the nice walk-in shower right here. One thing, Mr. Cameraman, come and switch places with me real quick. This is something new for 2019, guys. This is your water miser. What this will do for you, as opposed to turning this on and waiting for the water to get hot, filling up your gray tanks, using up your freshwater tank, which you don't have to. You shut this valve right here. This is blue right now. You turn your water on how you want it. It'll run through here. It'll go through the freshwater tank and keep circulating through the freshwater tank until it gets warm. Once this turns white, then you know that your hot water is ready. So then you open up this valve and then you can take your shower. You're not wasting all that time just running your water and letting it fill up your gray tank. That box right there, guys, that is for your outside grill, which we mentioned earlier. You got your stool right here then too as well. Okay? And then here too as well, are your tanks heated effectively? According to Flagstaff, as you can see, here's our heating pads that are all right on there. So that way it's going to keep your tanks warm, 12-volt controlled heat pads. Okay? Here you also have a little towel rack right here. Another nice thing too as well that I love this saying in this, it has the 360 siphon vent in it for your black tank. Smell that? Of course you don't. That's what the 360 vent does for you. Okay? You have your little medicine cabinet right here. You got your nice big sink in the bath area. Okay? So we come on out. We're here on the outside. Here, guys, is where you have your control for your air conditioner or your furnace. You just control everything right here, just like what you would at home. Okay? Come over here. In the slide area, we have the couch, which has the hide-a-bed, which will pull out to another bed for you then as well. And then you have your nice big U-shaped king-size dinette. Fit the majority of the family right around here. Another thing I like about this is this table here you can actually take, put it out underneath the patio, whatever it may be, or you can break it down in order to make another sleeping space. So you can sleep 2 here, 2 more back here, 2 more here, so we got 6, if my math is right, and then 2 more back here, so we can have up to 8 people. Guys, one thing Mr. Cameraman has told me that I have misspoken, which I find hard to believe. But, conceivably, guys, you could sleep 2 kids up here and 2 kids down here, bringing your total from 8 to 10 that you can sleep. 10 happy people. Thank you. Well, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I think I'm right. Okay, so guys, one thing you also notice, this was the backup camera I was telling you about that you can do here. Also, guys, for the first year, you got 1 year of roadside assistance right through Forest River, so no matter where you're at, they'll take care of you. That's for the water saving system that we have. And then also, guys, this is the Prog Ride. This is a nice thing. If you buy this, it's called the Forest River Owners Group. You can get in that. They have a rally every year. It's a great way to meet people like-minded that are out camping and seeing this great country of ours. Here you have some storage right here. Some more storage here. Some more storage here. And then, not wasting any space, we have more storage here, more storage here, and more storage here. Okay? So you have 6 places right there to store something. And we come down here. You have another big drawer. Also, guys, you have your whole house water filtration system in the Flagstaff. You just hook this up and it'll take out 99.8% of the bad things in the water. The 0.02, I'm not real sure where they go, but 99.8. Okay? And we can give you a little flipper right here. So you've got the little Forest River logo right on there. Okay? So you got storage there. And we also have a drawer right here as well too. Remember, that was the one we had the access on the outside. So now we're in the kitchen area. Look where the TV is located. Good viewing from the couch, good viewing from the dinette. And this will also come out and rotate for you. You have your Furion sound bar. Here you have your AM/FM radio with your DVD player. This is also Bluetooth capable. So if you got Amazon Music, Apple Music, you can play it right through here. You can also get an app that you can control this radio from the outside. So if you're outside enjoying the nice weather, That way you can do everything right from there. Okay, and we have some more storage right here. 3 different shelves. Here we brought it in with a bigger refrigerator. It's a 9 cubic foot. So you can see there, and you can also adjust your temperature here too as well, so where if you're in higher altitudes or whatever it may be, a hotter day, you can make it colder or warmer. And this will run off of the electric or the LP for you as well too. Okay. So again, here we have our nice residential size microwave. You got your fan and your light right here. We have a 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover, so if you got it covered, you can still use it as a workspace. And look at the nice size oven, guys, a 22-inch oven. Another nice thing they've done for you for 2019 is you no longer have to light your pilot light for your oven. It can all be lit right from here with the automatic light. As you can see, when we look at the cabinet doors, they're all the raised panels with the nice residential look handles. Got more storage there. We got 3 more drawers here, which are all on your ball bearing metal drawer glides. You have it right there. And then we have some more storage here. And also, if you look at your countertop space, some more storage here. It's all in the Corian hard surface, so that way it's very easy to clean, very easy to take care of. They give you the nice little sink cover, and you have 2 big sinks. You have a stainless steel sink on this side, and a stainless steel sink on this side. Not just one big sink and one small one, very easy to wash the dishes. Do whatever. High-rise residential faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Okay? So if we look around, guys, we have a part that everybody loves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 doors and drawers to store stuff. So guys, you're going to have plenty of space to put everything. Plus you got a nice little plug right here so you can plug in the coffee pot. And look at the nice tile backsplash that they do right here for you too. Okay? So we come in the bedroom area. We have our slide out wardrobe. Here's where you can put your folding stuff. And on this side, you have for your hanging space. You have the queen walk around bed, so that way it's going to be very easy for you to make. It's on a nice mattress for it, a nice Serta mattress, so that way it's not just going to be a piece of foam, going to be comfortable to sleep on. Plus, you also have storage under here. Again, you can see how they make the bed with it all in the aluminum, give you a stronger construction and keeps it lightweight. You also have 3 more drawers down here, and then you've got 4 drawers up there, and you have drawers and plug-ins on both sides of the bed for you with the nice little nightstands. As you can see, you got that nice front window so it can allow some light in. You got your pull-down day-night shades all the way throughout. Ducted air as well, LED lights all the way through so that way they're not going to get hot for you. So guys, listen, this was the 2019 27 BHWS Flagstaff. You might say, hey Scott, how can I get a hold of you? Well, we have a phone still. You can call us on 866-282-4460. You can visit us on the web at totalvaluerv.com. Or if you're driving, you can come to exit 92, go to the first light, take a right, go to the next light, take another right, go through the 4-way stop and make another right, and come down to our dealership. 3 right turns in order to make the right decision. Guys, what we like to say around here is you come in as strangers and you leave as friends. If you're still with us, thanks for watching, guys. And hey, what is really weird is the last couple of days some people have come up and actually asked to take a picture with me. Who am I? I don't know. I just want you to go out and enjoy the lifestyle, enjoy RVing. It's what it's all about, and being with your family. We look forward to seeing you guys. Thanks for watching.